test of IELTS powered by iDoMe to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Gurpreet and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111174 named Monica. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Monica Rani.
Okay, how may I address you?
You may address me my first name Monica.
Okay, Monica, where are you from?
I come from Samrala, which is a big city.
Okay, how long have you been living there?
From my birth, I am living here because it is a very good country and my father is very contacted to this country.
Okay. Is there anything you dislike or you want to change in your hometown?
Of course, I want to change something in my village because there are number of difficulties like infrastructure, so that are not well maintained. So I want to change according to the government regulations.
Okay. Let's talk about trust. Who do you trust most?
Usually I trust in my parents because my parents guide to me a good and rather than other. Because if I talk about my father is very trustable person, so I can take number of advices with the trust my father.
Okay. What kind of people do you trust?
Usually which are close to my heart, I usually trust on these people because they are very close to my heart and I love so much.
Okay. Have you ever lost trust in somebody?
I remembered one person who has lost my trust. So that is my brother. That was my brother. So once time my brother told to me lie that my pan has causes to us. So that was very cheatful for me.
Okay. Do you trust artificial intelligence?
According to me, artificial intelligence trust is not good. So usually I feel that if I trust with the originally, then it is good for me.
Okay. Let's talk about taking rest. How often do you take rest?
In my free time, usually I take rest at the night time because whole day I am busy in my work. So mostly I spend some time with my parents and take rest with them.
And what do you usually do while resting?
While resting, I using a mobile phone and play game with on my mobile phone.
Do you prefer to take a nap? Do you prefer to take a nap?
Sorry, ma'am, rephrase.
Okay. Do you prefer to take a short sleep or resting?
Okay. Usually I take a short time rest. So because if I take long time sleepy, that harmful to my body. So I prefer to short time rest in my life.
Okay. And how do you feel after taking a nap?
After taking nap, I feel very fresh because it relaxes to my mind and I feel very fresh.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the questions of the card and you will need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of the card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. And your cue card topic is describe a water-related leisure activity that you want to try. And your 1 minute starts now. Start it.
In my lifetime, I do number of activity which are related to the water. So here I would discuss about water activity. That game is a mobile phone. That is related to the bubble game, which I usually play with it. So on my mobile phone, waters are in this game. So here I will discuss about the bubble game, which is related to the water. Sometime when I feel uncluttered in my life, I prefer to play with this game. Usually I played it at night in my free time, because in whole day I am not free. So when I feel some anxiety in my life, it game give me a relaxation in my mind. And sometime when my father came my side, my father also preferred to me that why you use this game always, because it is very interesting game for me, and I can increase my mental ability about this game, because it is a mental ability game related to the tricks. So this is a game, when I played it game, I feel very relaxed in my life, and that is a game which is related to the water leisure activity.
Okay. Now I'll ask you more follow-up questions. Let's talk about leisure in free time. How important is free time for individuals?
Time is very important for everybody. So time is always precious for everyone. So use their time according to their ability. So it is very good if we spend some time with skill informations.
Okay. Do people learn something about themselves when they go for such leisure activities?
Of course, they learn number of new things when they do activity in leisure time, because if a person have no experience with the new game, then they can learn number of new things from the new games.
Okay. While doing leisure activities, is it a good idea to take risk?
According to me, it is very harmful for us, because sometimes we have no experience that how can handle this game. So it is very difficult for us.
Okay. What benefits do people have when they travel to new destinations for leisure?
Of course, there are a number of benefits if the people goes outside in the leisure time. They can learn number of new things like historicals and famous celebrities, and number of new locations. They can learn about these things.
Do you think an individual feels demotivated when he doesn't get enough free time?
I believe that some people deactivate in their life, because they think that if they use their time in these activities, they can waste their time and they could not improve their life.
Okay, thank you so much. This is the end of your speaking. You may go now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.